1. Cougar MX330-G. Best overall budget PC case. Cougar is a great brand for PC components, and their products are usually built like a tank. Cougar MX330-G is the tempered glass variant for the MX330 and usually goes for $40 to $50. The overall design of the casing is quite impressive and is somewhat thinner than the other cases listed here. You get great features like a full mesh front, dust filters, tempered glass side panel, and PSU shroud. The tempered glass is definitely a cool feature in this price point. The I/O panel provides 4 USB ports, unlike most of the cases which provide only 2 of them. The cable management of the case is pretty impressive as well, and you can easily hide the cables on the backside. There can be 2 fans installed at the front, 2 at the top, and 1 fan at the rear. Not the best, but good enough for most builds. Moreover, this means that you won't be able to install 360mm radiators in this case by any means. The case provides 2 3.5-inch bays and 2 2.5 bays, leading to a total of 4 expansion bays. As for the motherboard is concerned, you can install up to ATX motherboards, while MX330-G itself is a mid-tower case. Overall, this case provides a great value and is suitable for even high-end builds, as it provides a great performance along with sufficient features. For this reason, we have titled this case as the best overall budget PC case under $50 on our list.